My name is Frances, and I was brought up in South Africa and moved back about 30 years ago to the UK. I have a daughter as well who lives in London. I come from a very large family, there's 6 of us. I like travelling, I like going away. We do go away quite a bit if we can, although COVID stopped a lot of that. Otherwise, just generally having lunch with friends. I have a ladies' lunch every month, and I also belong to an arts society once a month that we go to lectures. The car I had previously was a Seat Alhambra, and I enjoyed it very much, but my shoulders were beginning to be very painful, and I could not get into it as easily any longer, and that's why I had to think of other options, because I've always driven. One of the first things I could do was to get my license, so I wanted to carry on driving. I found Allied Mobility via the internet, because I'd been doing a lot of research beforehand to find the ideal car for me, and I knew that they had been doing WAVs for quite a long time, and I thought that they would be a good company to approach. My Allied Mobility advisor was excellent, explained everything, and there was no problems with any of it. I was very pleased. They helped me all along the way, and I found it a very easy process. During my home demonstration, all went very well. The car performed as I'd hoped, that it would. And the mobility advisor helped me right through the whole process, explained exactly how long it was all going to take and what was involved. Advice would be do your research. The main thing is that everybody's different, and I think it's very important that you find something that's right for you. I think choosing Allied would be a good thing because they've been going a long time. They're very professional. They did a very good job. Everything was very easy and straightforward. And I can highly recommend them.